All right, so today we're riding about what, 45 miles, 2,500-ish feet of climbing. Basically going out to Claremont. Gonna go get some baller coffee out there. So we're gonna climb a little bit through Brea Canyon. It was super cold, now it's super hot. So I've totally stripped off everything I started with, and we're gonna bring you along for the adventure. Kyle's always late, even though we show up at his place, but he'll get to see this part later.
I was pulling my bike out, and fucking the pedal from one of my other bikes just latched onto the shifter cable and like ripped it, and it was like fucking, it was just like flailing around, and I was like, oh no. I tightened it up. It was okay.
50-11 all day.
Seriously, no, I went to the tiniest one, and there was like a kink in it. I was like, oh no.
Definitely hurting today. Kyle was late, so he's definitely turning the heat on. I'm barely hanging on. All important chapstick stop. It is so dry. We are stopping for chapstick. This is definitely a first for a bike ride for me.
Some moist lips might help.
It's like it made the climb easier. Oh yeah. Your lips nice and moist. Ready for more?
Dude, I feel great.
A little Carmex to wake you up in the morning.
You need some Carmex? Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. No problem.
Get those things juicy, dude. Camera ready.
Do you mind if I put this down here?
Come on, man. This ain't no butt butter. Fucking nasty.
Hit him with that bell, dog.
Yeah. A lot of paint is still in there.
22 miles, 1,400 feet in. Ooh, baby. Getting that toe. All right, so we all wrapped up, about 3 hours. Got a little spicy near the end, but had a good long canyon downhill. Oh man, legs feel like lead. But that was it. Hope you liked this video. make sure to subscribe so you can watch Mario fall over again. You crash in like almost every video.
Dude, it's all good. I'm spongy.